So, how do you like the new staff room?
In fact, it's quite impressive. It has made me even love school more and more. That's why I come very early and leave very late.
Okay.
It is a conducive environment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like the new furniture?
I like the new furniture because the other one made me nearly to fall down.
Okay.
But now I'm comfortable.
You're comfortable?
Yeah.
Good. So there is enough space now?
There is enough space.
Compared to the other one?
The other one was so much congested, too tiny for the whole staff. But now we are enjoying.
Why is it important for students to have enough desks?
For them to write well, yeah, so that we can make that handwriting better, and then they can also read well.
Okay. These one are the new ones. Okay. How many pupils are in this classroom?
24.
24. And how many desks?
We have 12 desks.
12 desks. So 2 pupils per desk. Okay. Is it comfortable for you as a teacher?
It's comfortable. Much comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah.